Welcome to the InSpace tutorial video that describes some of the basic features available to all participants in the space. We will show move, zoom, drag, raise hand, and broadcast. Move. Click and drag your circle to move about the space. Free movement allows you to search out and join conversations in a natural way. Zoom. Zoom in and out by using your scroll wheel or trackpad gestures. The cursor serves as the point of reference for zooming in and out. You can zoom in for closer camera views and zoom out to see everyone in the space. Drag. Click and drag anywhere in the space to change your view within the space. Raise hand. If you want to ask a question or indicate to others that you have something to say, you can use the raise hand feature, which is in the participant menu. Click the hand icon to raise your hand. When you wish to lower your hand, click the hand icon again. Broadcast. A fundamental feature of InSpace is that audio is proximity based. You can hear people that you are near. But if you want to project your audio to everyone within the space, then click Broadcast, the megaphone icon in the participant menu. If your audio is currently disabled, clicking Broadcast will enable it automatically. When you are talking or anyone else is talking in the space, you will see a visual cue surrounding the participant circle. To stop broadcasting or audio, just click the icons again. For help with other features, look at the videos on the YouTube channel. You can also click the Help menu where you can find tutorials for different features that we have enabled. You can also submit a web form to ask for help. For other inquiries or questions, you can always email us at support@inspace.chat. We'll see you in space.